that's not the only thing here at the show here.
Yeah, we got a little Easter egg. We weren't expecting this, but this is pretty cool. We get to check out as well.
Yeah, so next up we have our all-new ONEKEY 7 1/4 Sidewinder saw. So this is all new to Milwaukee, announced here at World of Concrete 2025. So you got to stop by our booth to see it and get some hands-on with it for the first time. So as you all are familiar with, our baseline Gen 3 Sidewinder has best-in-class power, best-in-class cut speed, and a pound reduction than the previous generation. This goes a step further by adding ONEKEY VacLink wireless dust collection, as well as auto-stop advanced kickback protection, a new-to-world feature for circular saws that uses a predictive machine learning-based algorithm to sense and detect kickback and shut the tool down faster than a human hand can respond. So really going above and beyond and enhancing the user experience throughout a long day on the job site and keeping them safer day in and day out.
No, I think that's also, I mean, it's incredible to think that now your circular saw is adapting and learning as you're using it. Absolutely. You know what I mean? Like it's so cool to see. But also for our audience, you can see here, that's it. This is the integrated dust extraction and connection that we're talking about here. So it's built into the tool. And what are we looking at? I mean, like, what are we looking at in terms of a price increase going to a saw like this compared to your already on the market top of the line 7 1/4?
Great question. In my opinion, it's a great value for those 3 features. It's a $50 premium. So $299 bare tool. You're going to get ONEKEY, VacLink, and auto stop advanced kickback protection on the new Gen 3 Sidewinder.
I mean, a $50 increase for those 3 things, I think is, I'd pay it.
Absolutely.
I would absolutely pay that for a tool like that.
And again, this saw is truly catered and tailored for the audience here at World of Concrete. If you're on the ONEKEY platform, if you're focused and concerned about safety across your labor force, this is the saw to get. If you've got mandates on job sites that tell you that you need to use dust collection, if you're in any kind of clean environment, indoors, we know those are coming. This is the saw to get. So
it's exciting. Awesome, man. Really glad to see it.
Take care.
Joe, last thing here is, you think we could do a quick demo here?
I'd love to do a quick cut. Looks like you got the rear handle set up for a rip cut. We have the handle, we have it set up here, triple stack OSB. And again, we've got our new dust extractor here. I'm going to power this on. We're going to get after it. All right, Q3 2025.